I bring you Akil's crazy move of the week. Silver. Look at silver. Boom. There it goes. We had a very nice high and tight flag. We know this is a classic and historical breakout pattern, one of the strongest breakout patterns, and boom, it did just that. It broke out. Now, silver broke out for a few reasons. The main reason being tariff scares, right? There was an announcement, I think it was last week, that there was going to be tariffs on copper. Copper went crazy, if you want a comparison. And what's happening now with silver is, one, there's a flood to the safe havens because in metals, and silver's a cheap metal, so a cheap safe haven. Two, silver's got some really good fundamental values in general as far as like its usage. It's not just like something you store and stash. It's actually used in our economy. Like solar panels, for example, which are big green energy, they use silver. So it does have some actual use from an investment purpose. But the main thing is I think there is a scare that silver may be next, that silver may be the next metal to be tariffed, right? If that's a phrase, it is now. And people want to get their hands on it before that happens. And because of that, we see this reaction. Now, I don't think that's going to happen. Now, I'm not going to pretend to know what Trump is going to do. That would be crazy. I don't think anyone knows. I don't even think he knows until he actually says it. But I haven't seen any signs that that is likely to happen. So I have a feeling this is going to be more of a fear move than anything else. And this is weird to say because in general, I am bullish to metals, gold, and silver. I've been that for a while. But I do think, I don't think you should buy it on the open and expect another continuation up. I think one of two things are going to happen right away as far as like a short-term move. We're either going to get a correction and retrace back into our high and tight flag. And there aren't any technical reasons for entry yet on that. But if you did get like a lower low, lower close right here, that would be a positive sign, or some type of pin bar would be a very positive sign that we're likely to continue down here. Or we're just going to consolidate very similar to what copper did, where copper was here, we did that, and we just have been stuck in a pennant pattern before it breaks out one way or the other. Now, again, these aren't in the same situation, but I do think this is one of those things where the public is going to be very rowdy about this come Monday. And I think there's going to be a lot of immature traders that rush in and try to buy because of FOMO, the fear of missing out. And I think they are going to be used and abused, and profit taking will happen up here. They will use those traders to get out of the market. And then whoever was looking to buy is going to buy at a much cheaper price right down here.